Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom in the general settings to find About Phone. Right here, all we have to do is to find the build number, so let's enter the software information first of all, and as you can see the build number is right here. Right now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Right now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the developer options. They will not be here if you will not activate them by using the build number. So let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we can, for example, simulate the color space, we can manage the display cutout, we can show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to tap on the switcher. It works just like in the regular settings. So let's tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale for example, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to turn them off, simply tap on this switcher at the top. And as you can see, the options will be inactive, at least most of them. And after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.